Hello everyone, CHSL 2025 Answer Key is released and my suggestion to you is go download the answer key and check your response sheet immediately. If you want to challenge any question, there is a specific window. You can challenge the questions from today, that is 8th of December till 11th of December evening 6 p.m. If you want to challenge the question after that, the answer key will not be available and they will not entertain you to challenge any kind of questions. So in the next 2 days, drop whatever you're doing and focus on checking your answer keys and challenge those questions. Now, as far as challenging the questions is concerned, last time for CGL 2025 through our Telegram channel, we helped majority of the aspirants in giving the right kind of sources when they were challenging the questions, because usually AI generated explanations are not accepted for answer sheets or for challenging the questions. You need to quote the right kind of sources. So we want to help you as part of this, and for that we have created a Google form. Let me show you the Google form once. This is the Google form that we are talking. Now the link of this Google form will be posted in the description of the video. All you need to do is simple. Download your response sheet, check your answers, make a list of question numbers that you want to challenge and fill this Google form. In this Google form, all we expect is please give your name and the details, tell us your shift and date and the question numbers that you want to challenge, and along with that, please upload your response sheet so that we can cross check the question number with your response sheet and we will prepare a list of all those questions where the answers are wrong and those that need to be challenged, and we will upload this list on this channel at the earliest so that you can challenge those questions. See you all in that video. Thank you.